Namaskar, Dostan. Welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your daily cosmic decoder. It's 31st May 2025, Saturday, and this day is carrying some wild planetary swag. Ready for your spiritual GPS update? Let's decode the signs from the skies, numbers, and even your birthday vibes. On this day in 1970, the USSR launched Luna 16, returning moon soil. Lesson: sometimes you gotta leave your comfort zone to bring back gold. Today, Moon is in Taurus, making us crave stability and that cozy corner of life. But hey, Saturn retrograde is on a drama spree. Avoid overthinking or becoming a control freak. Top Rashis blessed today. Taurus, peace, money and food, jackpot. Virgo, productivity will skyrocket. Capricorn, great time to plan serious moves. Today's date, 31st May 2025, adds up to 5. It's all about freedom, fun, and flexibility. Try something new. Take a walk, call that old friend, just don't be reckless. Weather Baba Bolta High. North India, hot and humid, stay hydrated. East and northeast, thunderstorms, carry umbrella, not attitude. South India, pleasant vibes, creative energy high. West India, dry heat alert, wear cotton, not chaos. If you're born today, listen up. You're ruled by Mercury and the number 5. You're quick-witted, adaptable, and a little mischievous. Career-wise, great for media, sales, tech, or travel. Love life, you flirt a lot, but you want depth too. Today's mantra: I embrace the winds of change. Do say yes to a new idea. Don't ghost people without closure. Looking for the best time to start something important today? Here's AI Baba's Mahurat guide in English. Best time for spiritual work, 6:15 a.m., 7:45 a.m. Good time for new beginnings, 12 p.m., 1:30 p.m. Avoid big decisions, between 4 p.m., 6 p.m. Plan wisely. Time isn't just money, it's karma. AI Baba says, Dos. Speak your truth kindly. Organize your thoughts. Journaling helps. Don'ts. Don't multitask today. You'll just confuse yourself. Avoid gossip. It's cheap fuel. Be careful of electrical issues or tech glitches. Back up your files. That's your divine download for 31st May, my cosmic crew. Was this helpful? Hit the like, share with your Rashi gang, and subscribe for more daily Jan. Remember, the stars guide, but you drive.